What is up, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of Spotify not downloading music. I know how annoying it can be when you're trying to download your favorite songs and nothing works. So let's fix that today. Now, first things first, if you're trying to download music and it's not working, the most common reason is that you don't have Spotify Premium. Remember, downloading music for offline listening is a premium only feature. If you're on the free version of Spotify, unfortunately, you won't be able to download any music. That's just how Spotify works. But if you do have Spotify Premium and you're still facing this issue, don't worry. There are a few things you can check. Let's start with your settings. Open your Spotify app, go into the settings menu, and scroll down until you see an option called Download Using Cellular. If this option is turned off and you're trying to download songs while using mobile data, it won't work. You'll need to switch that on so that downloads are allowed over cellular. If you're on Wi-Fi, this setting doesn't matter, but for data users, it's important. If that doesn't solve the problem, the next thing you should do is check your internet connection. Sometimes, if your Wi-Fi or mobile data is weak or unstable, Spotify won't be able to download your music properly. Make sure your connection is strong, and maybe try restarting your router or switching to a different network. Still not working? Then, let's check if your Spotify app is up to date. Head over to the Play Store or App Store and search for Spotify. If you see an update button instead of open, that means your app is outdated. Go ahead and update it because older versions of the app can sometimes cause glitches or bugs like this. Now, if your app is already updated and the issue is still happening, it might be time to clear Spotify's cache. This is basically like giving the app a little refresh. To do this, go into your phone settings. Go into App Management or Apps, find Spotify in the list, and tap on it. Then go to Storage Usage and tap on Clear Cache. You can also clear data if needed. Just remember that once you do this, you'll have to log back into your Spotify account. And finally, if you've tried everything and nothing is working, the last thing you can do is report the issue directly to Spotify. Head over to their support center, explain the problem, and they'll try to help you from their end. So yeah, that's how you fix the issue of Spotify not downloading music. I hope this video helped you out. If you're new here, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our future videos. We've got a lot of helpful content coming your way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day, and peace out.